Hello, welcome to a new Scratch tutorial. In this tutorial, you're going to be making a stop sign clicked detector, like this stop sign in the corner right here. So let's get right into it. So you're going to get a when the green flag is clicked block, and then forever going to reset timer, and then when time, this is a different script, use the when timer is greater than 0.001. So you can do this, reset timer, forever reset timer and hide, and when the timer is greater than 0.001, I usually do 0.0001 show. So when the project is running, it's hiding, but when I click the stop sign, it shows. So that is how you make a stop sign detector, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.